I have had a super busy day. I left the house at 7 o'clock this morning because I went biking with my friends, and I didn't get back till about 2:30. Then it's been go, go, go. And so here I am. I wanted to do this live, but internet connection wouldn't work and it failed. So I'm pre-recording it and I'm going to upload it. So today for day 3, I am talking about, it's not about just the food. It's about the freedom. And I want to give you more freedom around food. And I'm talking about the Thermomix. And yes, you may have heard of it, and don't switch off. Okay? I've been a Thermomix consultant for a couple of years. And I am truly, truly passionate about this machine actually changing your life. It literally will change your life. And I want to tell you why and what it can do for you. Yes, I am a consultant, but this is my tool of choice for making healthy eating and healthy choices easier. So that's what I want to share with you today. It's not just about the sale. Every person that I sell a Thermomix to, I am wanting to impact their health and well-being. That is what my ultimate goal is. So what a Thermomix can do for you is that it can create so much freedom around food, and it will reduce that decision fatigue, and it will save you time. Can you imagine starting a week and you have got all your meals planned out? Anyone in the family can cook them. You know exactly what you're having. You've got all the ingredients because it's created a shopping list for you. It's created your meal plan, and when you get home, you just have to push some buttons. That is an absolute game changer. It's actually real food versus convenience food. How many times have you got to the end of the night, you've got home from a busy day at work, and you're like, I just have no idea what we're going to have for dinner. Let's do takeaways, let's do Uber Eats. It is totally going to eliminate that concern for you. And it will be, you're using real food. Here's what I want to show you. I make a massive big jar of vegetable stock. This is made out of actual vegetables and only vegetables. And this lasts for 6 months in the fridge. This is my chicken stock paste, and you just add liquid to it. I make Nutella for my daughter. She loves Nutella, and I don't want that stuff in the house. And so I make this, and yes, it's got sugar, and yes, it's got chocolate in it. I have the sugar and I have the chocolate, and she loves it, and she has it on sourdough. So it is actually cooking with real food. You will find some unexpected favorite uses, like this is a korma spice blend. I have made this out of whole spices, which I then roasted and then ground down into a spice mix, which I'm going to use in a chicken korma. You are cooking things from scratch. You might be making aioli, you might be making mayonnaise, you might be making condensed milk, Worcester sauce. Literally, you can make everything from scratch that you want to. And the option is there for, of how far you want to take it. You have total control over the ingredients. So you are making healthier choices, and you know exactly what is going into your food. And that's what's really, really important to me. And the last one that I want to share with you is it's supporting your health goals, especially if you surround yourself in my network and come on board. If you're thinking of getting a Thermomix, you become my customer. I share collections of recipes with my customers on salads, soups, healthy baking, healthy desserts, healthy sweet treats. I've got all my collections sorted, and I share them with my customers. My goal is to make your life easier, to get you eating healthier, to saving you time, to saving you money. Yes, there is an investment, but just alone think about if you buy yogurt, how much do you spend on yogurt a week? You can make your own, and you know exactly what's going into it. So I am doing a online TM7 demo on Monday night, the 23rd. I think it's the 23rd it is. Next Monday night. If you want to join me, it's at 7:30. We're going to make a couple of things together. I'll talk you through the TM7 and what it can do, and then you can make an educated decision. Or if you're just like, I just want to see it, come on. You do have to register though, so comment below if you want the link. I'll share the link with you, and then you can join me. And no strings attached whatsoever. My mission is to get you eating healthier, to be feeling better, to be sleeping well, to have more energy, and to change your life. That's what my goal is. Okay, let me know if you want that link or what's come up for you. Have you got a Thermomix? What's holding you back? Can you see that it could be a life-changing tool? Would love to know. See ya.